Say goodbye to dark circles and eye wrinkles with a secret blend you won't believe. In this video, I'm sharing how a simple mix of Vaseline and coffee can work wonders for your under-eye area. Watch as I take you through this easy DIY eye gel that delivers real results. Brighter, smoother, and more youthful-looking eyes are just a few steps away. Unlock the magic of natural beauty with our eye cream. Infused with revitalizing coffee powder and Vaseline, this miracle blend promises to diminish dark circles and wrinkles in just 5 days. Discover the ultimate secret to a refreshed, youthful look with our all-natural powerhouse eye cream. Say goodbye to tired eyes and hello to a brighter, smoother, and more radiant you. Ready to unveil the magic? Let's dive into this simple yet effective recipe. Experience the enchanting transformation as tired eyes become refreshed and youthful. Let's dive into this simple yet effective recipe. Vaseline acts as an occlusive, locking in moisture and creating a protective barrier over the skin. Begin by adding 2 tablespoons of Vaseline into a bowl. Vaseline seals in moisture and forms a protective barrier that safeguards the delicate skin around the eyes from environmental damage. It also helps smooth fine lines and prevents moisture loss. Coffee powder. Rich in antioxidants and caffeine, coffee powder helps to improve blood circulation, reduce puffiness, and brighten the under-eye area. Add a spoonful of coffee powder to the bowl and thoroughly mix it with the Vaseline until well combined. The caffeine in coffee constricts blood vessels, helping to reduce swelling and depuff the skin. Additionally, it contains antioxidants that protect the skin from free radicals, making it an excellent addition to any anti-aging routine. Aloe vera gel soothes and cools the skin, reducing inflammation and providing essential moisture. Add a spoonful of aloe vera gel to the bowl and blend it thoroughly with the other ingredients. Aloe vera gel is renowned for its healing properties, providing soothing and hydrating effects on the skin. With consistent use, it helps diminish the appearance of dark circles and wrinkles. Coconut oil hydrates and nourishes the delicate skin around the eyes, while also possessing anti-inflammatory properties. Add 1 spoon of coconut oil to the mixture and blend thoroughly. Coconut oil, rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, offers deep hydration and possesses natural anti-inflammatory properties, effectively soothing the skin. Mix well. Stir all the ingredients thoroughly until you get a smooth and consistent gel-like texture. Ensure that the coffee powder is evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Store the eye gel in an airtight container in the refrigerator to maintain its freshness and cooling effect, which enhances its depuffing action. The gel can be stored for up to 2 weeks. To ensure hygiene, always use a clean applicator or thoroughly wash your hands before each application to prevent contamination. Cleanse your face, apply the eye gel gently around the eyes, massage in circular motions, and leave it on for 15-20 minutes or overnight for best results. Ready to reveal your brightest eyes yet? Don't wait to experience the magic for yourself. Give this DIY eye cream a try and see the difference in just 5 days. Hit that subscribe button for more beauty tips And like this video if you're excited to rejuvenate your under-eye area. Have any questions or want to share your results? Drop a comment below. Your journey to radiant eyes starts now, so let's get glowing.